Hello, Jen. This will be some video feedback for 1.3, which was the photo manipulation exercise. And welcome to GRA 220. Jen, I thought you might be interested in seeing what I see on my end, and I'm just downloading your image or your images. I see that it's 43.3 megabytes. I would say that that's about half of what I would expect to see for two large resolution images. Jen, I see you have a Word file, which I'm assuming is your sources. Let me take a look. Yes, indeed they are. So nice way of collecting them, too. Some students in this class have used an additional layer in their Illustrator files or Photoshop files to have invisible source credits. I thought that was kind of an ingenious idea. It goes along with the idea of meta text. I see you have the before and afters collected in a PDF. And let me zoom out so we can see them side by side. Is this the before and is this the after? Labeling them would help, but I'm going to assume that this is the after. The before seems a little more saturated. And I'm assuming that this is the before and this is the after. Once again, looks like the before is saturated. But I'm not sure. Anyway, it looks like you have favored saturation in your images. Okay, so Jen, I'm going to open up one of these images in Photoshop. And I see that you have the adjustment layers, and I can turn them on or off. And your adjustments are subtle, so that's good. I think it's good to have a light touch when you retouch photographs. The other thing I'm going to take a look at is image size. Now this is revealing. Now I realize that you probably wouldn't, this is a vertical ad, so at best you could make this a band across the width of the ad. And for that size, it's okay. But just know that if you were to crop out a segment of it, it would need to be higher or a larger image, and it would have to be equally high resolution. But if you're planning to stack, say, two high-res images on top of each other, this is fine. So good going on that. I think you've met all the exemplary categories of the rubric. Good job.